Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can correct the lighting on your videos by using the Relight feature in CapCut PC. So here you can just simply add your videos into the CapCut PC like this, and videos and video menu. Let's scroll down until you find the relight option, this one. So you need to turn this on first to be able to use it, and there will be three options whether you want to correct the lighting on the facial part, the ambience, or a creative. So let's try the ambience. Here you can see there are a few options that you can select. So because the background is blue, I'm going to use, for example, this mm, red, this one. So just download it first. Okay, you can select the position like this, where the light will be placed, and it will be processing. You can also use keyframes to for example, applying the real light on certain positions only in the videos. Just wait until the real light process is finished. Okay, so the process is done, and that's it. That's how you can correct the lighting on your videos by using the CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.